Guys, I watched Married at First Sight. I think it's episode 3 or 4. But the outstanding guy for me is Lesiba. I think Lesiba is very interesting, and he's got a female bestie. They tried a relationship, it didn't work, and now they are back to being besties again. And now he's married to Matshidiso. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Matshidiso. If it's your first time on this channel, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment down below, and share it, brother and wider. And guys, you are on Dear Maiso. Imagine you just got married to this guy and he tells you that I've got a female bestie. I know most guys have got female besties, but I don't advocate for female besties because, it seems innocent in the beginning, but as time goes on, it brings a lots and lots and lots of problems. Matshidiso asked Lesiba about his past. Actually, it's Lesiba who asked Matshidiso first. And then he says, yeah, my last relationship was like, I took 3 months or so. This was my female besties. I've known her for the longest. And then we decided to try out something. It didn't work out. Now we are back to being besties. When she calls, I respond. If she needs something, like I do it for her, those vibes. Matshidiso, my darling, you are in trouble. You are in trouble. There is another woman, because that woman will always be thinking she knows your husband more than you do. She has got the longest relationship with your husband more than you do. Sometimes I figured it out that men, I don't know if they turn a blind eye when they bring another woman and say, oh, this is my friend. We are childhood friends, that they kind of like give them more power over your partner, because these people, their pride, oh my goodness, their pride. Let's say tomorrow morning it's your husband's birthday. On social media, it's them. My bestie, you and I, we have been together. We have traveled this journey since we were 2 years old. When you come home, my home is your home. My mother knows you. She will say all sorts of things that you don't know about your husband or your partner, just for you to feel like, oh no. She will even say, because every time it will be, because I know him better. Like, when you should just take a step back because she knows him better. So women who are so happy being friends with guys who are in relationships or who are married, like they're besties. He tells me, he confides in me. Guys, that's a problem. It's a problem, So sometimes I ask myself this question, Zore. Men, I don't know if they do it on purpose. Yeah, there are men who don't want their woman to be comfortable. You should always think, oh, there is another woman. They instill insecurities in you. At the back of your mind, you should know that there is another woman that you can have. This. You will even go and discuss serious matters, family matters with this person, and then they just come to you. And then, and then you're like, she knew of that before I could even know it. But that's the case. That's what they do. So Matshidiso should be careful. Or regardless, I think Lesiba is a nice guy. I think sometimes people test you. Men, they will test you. So, but one thing that I picked up is that Matshidiso doesn't really like Lesiba like that. But Lesiba is not stubborn. If Matshidiso really liked Lesiba, there is a potential in Lesiba, because a man who's not stubborn, you can go far with him. See that this guy, he's also aware of his faults. He knows that I have always been bastrata, like I Mr. Nice Time and everything. But he says, me having a wife, I can change for my wife. I'm just paraphrasing. If it's like that, it means that you can somehow transform him, make him a proper husband. Because I think he compromises a lot for Matshidiso. Unless it's just in the beginning, as time goes on, he will say, oh, fuck it, Mina, I'm going to groove, I'm going to spend 250,000 on alcohol, I will see you later. But now that Matshidiso loves dogs, he's willing to even go walk the dogs and accommodate her in that space. Now that Matshidiso is into gym and fitness, he's willing to try it, even though it's hard for him, but he's willing to try. So I think he is someone who can actually be a good husband if Matshidiso was serious about him. So, but I'm scared because Umatsiriso looks bored all the time. Lisiba says something, she looks bored. She doesn't laugh at his jokes. It's like she's distancing herself in a way. She's not cooperating. So I don't know if that will work. There are men who come to you believing that me, I'm perfect, I'm complete, take me as I am. I'm not going to change anything about myself. I am okay like this, and nobody's going to change me. But Uli Siba says, I've got faults, and I know that I'm willing to change and be a good husband. And he has proven like a couple of things that, yeah, you will see in Lisiba. Oh, okay. Happens like he's easygoing. I kind of judged him in the beginning. I was like, oh, this guy, I think he's coming with problems. I think he's the most genuine guy. Out of all the guys on Married at First Sight, I think he's genuine because he said, these are my problems. And I know I'm not perfect here and there. But other men will be like, nginje, angeke ungishintshe mina nginje, wangithola nginje. So that's the problem. But then we just have to be very careful of that thing, of him having a female bestie, and they have tried a relationship, it didn't work, and now they are back to being besties again. I'm just not sure about that, because it seems like that person will forever be there, and she's going to take the center stage, and she's always going to be number one. But because it's Lisiba, maybe if Matsiriso is very serious, and then she tells him, no, 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 work on this. But you know how difficult it is to discuss with your partner. You've just arrived into this relationship or into his life, and then you tell him, this person manje kwenzakalani, because it's like, where have you been all along? Now you tell me who should be in my life and who shouldn't be in my life. For some of us, we are scared, to overstep like that. But in this case, I think Matsiriso should do something, because that's going to bring lots and lots of problems. If they just overlook that, it might bring lots and lots of problems in their relationship. So I don't know what do you think of this? Have you ever had someone who has got a female bestie that they will even tell you, when she calls, I jump. When I say this, this story just reminded me of something. That time on Podcast and Chill, when Londi London dragged Dino Moloisani about the horse face and all of that, and Udineo responded. Friend, she said it's because Londi is dating her ex, and then she said, that guy respects me more than he respects her. I can call him at this time and he will just jump. That's the case. Those are the things that I'm trying to avoid, because women take pride on being number one priority to men who are involved with other women. So Mina, in relationships, once it involves another woman who thinks like that, and you also show her that you can disrespect me because of her, or you can put her first, that's where I disappear. I just leave. I'm a person who is very patient with so many things. You and I can fight, we can argue about certain things, and we fix, get back together and do whatever. But the moment you make the other woman disrespect me, it's chai. I'm not coming back, because I don't want other people to be disrespecting me because of you as a man. You, the man, you bring disrespect to me, bringing other people and say, wozani nizobona ukuthi ngiyamdelela lo muntu. Angeke shem, akuphelile. No matter how great you are, I've just lost respect. Like, now it's gone out the window, and everything is erased. Whatever greatness or goodness that you have done, it's been erased. Now you are zero to me. You are actually minus 100. So in that case, I don't know, because maybe Lisiba doesn't know, but at his age, he knows. He knows what he's doing, or maybe because he's thinking, okay, he was single, by the way. He just came to Married at First Sight. Maybe he wants to see how Matsiriso will handle this. But I don't like being challenged like that also, because a person just puts you under pressure for nothing. But Matsiriso, I'm saying, give him a chance, just tell him, I don't like this thing of your female bestie who has been your girlfriend before, back to being a bestie in your life. You're even saying that she will call each other when she wants something. I'll give it to her, or I'll do it for her. That's the problem. That's the problem, because that person is going to be in your life forever. So you need to correct that. Thank you so much, guys. Please comment down below and tell me what you think of this whole thing of female besties in relationships. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share it, brother and wider. And I will see you on my next upload. Bye bye.